you guys, these podcasts ain't got a scratch on them. It must be worth you being the pig, easy.
Ain't no kidding. Where'd you get these cool guys?
Hey, who the hell put first-hand cleaners in a second-hand dozens car?
Probably some real tools.
Hey, let's go flush these things off somebody.
What, 11 o'clock at night? Sure, maybe we'll go sell them at least.
Police station, what about? They don't have these type of locals on cop cars.
Here's our car we just hit. Better make tracks to these evidence.
Hey, it's good. Alright, put those things back in the car, you dipsticks.
Jeez, what a crowd. Hey, we're only bunkers, no one's swiping.
Where'd you get these cool guys?
Hey, what are you doing with this Uncle Junk anyway, kid?
What do you mean? This is grease lightning.
What? You really expect to make out of this sardine can?
Get Ben Latieri.
What colour is it? Just candy apple slime?
Yeah, that's alright. Wait till I give it a paint job. And soup up the end, it should work like a champ.
You want to know the grease lightning?
Why does it have to be automatic? Systematic. Hydromatic. Why could be grease lightning?
Grease lightning.
Oh yeah. A fuel injection cut off from chrome plated rods. Oh yeah.
I'll get the money. I'll get the money.
The force feet on the floor, let me waiting at the door. You know that job that I'm really making out of grease lightning. Grease lightning, you're burning up the color. Grease lightning, go, grease lightning, go, grease lightning, you coasting through the heat like trials. Grease lightning, go, grease lightning, you're supreme, you keep some dream. Grease lightning. I have been French till I turned 30-inch rims, oh yeah. A Palomino next door to two Muppet twins, oh yeah. Piston gloves and shines, beat the superstars. You know that I ain't wearing shoes, dragon wagon, grease lightning. Grease lightning, burning up the corner. Grease lightning, go, grease lightning, go, grease lightning, you coasting through the heat like trials. Grease lightning.